Hey there, and welcome to a new video. Dustin here from the Gravity team. It's the holiday season, and a great time to throw an end-of-the-year party. Let's take a look at how you can build an RSVP form for your holiday party using Gravity Forms. I'll get started by heading to my WordPress dashboard and creating a blank form. From here, I'll add the name field and email field to the form. The email field can be especially useful for an RSVP form in case you need to follow up with a party attendee prior to the event. Next, I'll add the multiple choice field that asks the user if they will be attending. I'm then going to add another multiple choice field that asks the user if they will be bringing any guests. Below this field, I'm going to add a number field that will let users specify how many guests they will be bringing. I'd like to limit the number of guests a person can bring to 3, so I'm going to open the field settings for this field and set the minimum value to 1 and the maximum value to 3. This will allow attendees to bring up to 3 guests to the party. I'm also going to use conditional logic with this field and set it to only display if the user indicates that they will be bringing any guests. I'll then add another multiple choice field that asks the user for any dietary restrictions or allergies. For this field, I'm going to use the selections option within the field settings and change it to select multiple so that users can check more than one option if needed. I've included an other option with this field, and I'd like to give users the ability to enter any additional dietary restrictions or allergies that might not be listed on my form. I'll add a single line text field and change the label to other. Then I'll once again use conditional logic to only display this field if the user selects other on the previous field. Next, I can add a paragraph text field to this form that lets users list any accessibility needs. Once I'm happy with my form, I'll save everything and head to the confirmations page to customize the confirmation message the user will receive after submitting the form. I'll also set up a notification email to be sent to each person who's attending so they have details of the event. Then I'll embed my form on a page or post and I'll be ready to start inviting people to my party. If you need any help or have any questions, please don't hesitate to let us know in the comments. From everyone on the Gravity team, we hope you have a wonderful holiday season. Thanks as always for watching. I'll see you in the next video.